Greetings, Yamada. Hey everybody, how are you guys feeling? This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. Today is a beautiful day, but this weather is changing, you guys. I know that in a lot of cities, and I've been talking to some friends and family throughout the state, that it's colder where they are. But I'm here today sharing and shining some light on 5 ways to boost your immune system. Let's talk about it. The first way to boost your immune system is to go out and get you some echinacea. Do anybody know what echinacea is? Echinacea is a herb that will help your immune system be boosted. So it will boost your immune system. It comes in many of forms. You can get it in a capsule or a tablet, and it even comes as a tea. Most of the time, most people like to get it as a tea, and what you do, you take your alkaline water and you boil it just enough, to get it warm or hot, and you take your echinacea tea bags and you put them inside your coffee cup or your teacup. And instead of using refined sugars, you can use agave nectar, or you can use raw cane sugar to sweeten your echinacea tea. And also make sure that you are drinking more than 1 cup. Most people feel that if they drink 1 cup of this tea or echinacea tea, that's all they have to do. No. If you want this echinacea to get into your system just like anything else, you're going to have to take it throughout the day. So make sure that you're getting your teacup prepared and ready to drink tea throughout the day as you are healing. The second thing that you want to do as you are boosting your immune system in this cold season is to get you plenty of rest. As you are sleeping, you know that your body is healing. So make sure that you're getting the amount of rest that your body needs. And the third thing that you can do to boost your immune system is make sure that you're eating plenty of green vegetables and fruit during the time that you are sick, or even if you're feeling like you're getting sick. Make sure that you're eating healthy and eating plenty of fruits and veg. And the fourth thing that you can do is avoid sugar. And what I mean, I'm talking about the refined sugar and your fructose sugars, anything like that, even your imitation sugars like sweet and low. Make sure you avoid those things. If you're feeling sick or if you're already sick, make sure that you're avoiding all sugars at any cost that's not natural. If you're going to drink an orange juice, make sure you're drinking a juice that you have read the label. Read your labels. Your ingredients will tell you everything most of the time that's in there. But if you notice that in your ingredients it say raw cane sugar, or it doesn't say any sugar at all, then you know that is a go. You want to take that into your system to help you if you're getting in your vitamin C, like in orange juice. But make sure that you're avoiding all of the refined sugars at all costs. And the last thing, which is the fifth thing to boost your immune system, is vitamin C. Vitamin C protects your immune system. So as you're getting the healthy things in your body that you need and plenty of rest, that vitamin C will protect your immune system as things are getting better. It'll make it where your immune system isn't getting any worse from that particular point. And just as a bonus, I'm going to tell you guys, and that's for you or your children, because our children, most of the time they're in the school system, they're around other children. And we are coming into the cold season, so that means that, even at these daycares, our children are exposed to other children that are sick or other germs that are around. Make sure that you're getting your kids the echinacea. tea, or if you need to, if you seeing your baby, or if you're dealing with a runny nose and congestion, make sure that you have something that you can take that is natural, that will help you be protected. And the one thing that I want to mention is a mucus buster. And what a mucus buster is that you take 1 orange, you take 1 lemon, and 1 grapefruit, and you can add pineapple as an option. And you either put these things in a juicer, or you can put it in a blender. And when you take this, it's gonna get the mucus out of your system, and it's gonna come out in every way. So that is a good thing. That is something good to make sure that you're taking. You can share it with your children. It tastes really good. If you're gonna sweeten it, make sure you're sweetening it with agave nectar or your raw cane sugar. So that is 5 ways that you can boost your immune system. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. If you have any questions, please leave a message or comment right here on YouTube, or you can follow me on Instagram at IlluminatedLight3. Peace and love, you guys. I hope your day go well after this and feel better. Keep that immune system boosted up. This is Illuminated Light, sharing and shining light. And remember to love yourself more, eat healthy, and travel. Peace.